Alright, so in this tutorial we're going to show how to properly connect and disconnect an Ethernet cable. A Ethernet cable generally comes with what's called an RJ-45 connector at the end, and the RJ-45 has a retention barb. So to insert an RJ-45 into a RJ-45 connector slot, also known as a keystone jack, you simply just plug it in. It just pressure fits and you hear the snap when the retention barb locks. To disconnect, what you're going to do is you're going to compress the retention barb and pull the Ethernet back out of the keystone jack. So for the female RJ-45 plug. So you just compress it and then pull out.